So zucchini. Chances are you grow it or you know someone who does, and you either have an abundance or are gifted it by well-meaning friends. So I'm gonna share today 2 ways to store it in the freezer to use for different kinds of dishes, from soups to making zucchini bread in January, February. So we're gonna take a chunk about this big, and you're just gonna cut it up into sizes that you would enjoy in your soups. Once you get the amount that you want, I like to use Ziploc bags. You do have the option to do something like these containers, but usually I'm running out of freezer space, especially at the end of harvest season, because I have so much shoved up in there from my garden. Chuck that in your freezer, and you can enjoy these in stews or even smoothies. These are also really, really good in smoothies. Get those veggies in. Now we are going to shred zucchini for zucchini bread. So we're gonna put that in there. We're gonna take one of these mesh bags, and then we're gonna squeeze it out over the sink and get all the extra moisture out. Spin and spin, and look at all of that release there. And that makes a big difference. And even if it's still a little crunchy, a little bit of ice in it, you can still toss it in and use it in your zucchini bread. And there you have it, 2 different ways to use the abundance of zucchini you have been gifted this fall.